San Manuel has been funding us for quite some time, and the thing that I enjoy working with San Manuel is everybody at San Manuel is helpful. We're very thankful that San Manuel has recognized us and partnered with us. We couldn't do what we do right now without the help from San Manuel.
San Manuel has been a partner over several decades in terms of supporting our programs. So it's really great to have a long-standing partner, but also it's about nothing about us without us. So to be able to stand shoulder to shoulder with another California tribal community and be committed to positive change really means a lot in terms of the longevity and the future of the work that we do.
San Manuel has been such a faithful partner to us over the years, and it really means something to be able to count on them. They've come in and they've provided us with the ability to help families in a way that we otherwise really wouldn't be able to afford to do. The Yawa Award is so important to us because we really do relate to the tribe and their spirit of resiliency. And the award enables us to take our intentions, which is to provide the best health care that we can to everyone that needs it, and to really put that into action.
Our partnership with San Manuel has been going on for many, many years now. We're able to do scholarships with another foundation. But it was those wraparound services that the young people need, like tutoring, books, bus passes, even food. One young lady didn't even have a bed to sleep on. So we were able to buy a bed with these wraparound services that San Manuel's been so generous to provide us to help our young people. And now we have well over 100 Native people, American Indians that have their college degrees. Receiving the Yawa Award, that's an acknowledgement. That's an honor. We work really hard, and for somebody to give us such a beautiful award, that's just really incredible. So it's very important to us.